In this video, I want to share to you about how to make Wavy high-rise building. First of all, we have to make the rotate rectangle. Click from this origin, and we can set the depth of this building around 30 meter, and the length of this building around 40 meter. Okay, and we can get this dimension. This is 40 meter. This is 40 meter and this is 30 meter. Okay, and I will delete this one to continue the next step. And then we have to duplicate this one to the another position. Okay, then we can draw the wavy skin on the front with using the using the 2-point arc. We can click from this position and click this another position and click this one, and we can continue it. We can continue to click this one, and then we can delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay, then we can triple click again, select move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Okay, and we can make the reverse of this wavy concept with using 2-point arc. Click from this position and click from to this position, then we can click to this position, then we can delete some unnecessary line. Okay, then we can select this one and select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Okay, and then we can make the another kind of wavy with using the 2-point arc, and we can click on this position and click to this position just a little bit. Okay, then we can continue it again. Okay, and we can continue it again. Okay, then we can delete some unnecessary line again, and we can triple click again, select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. So we can make the reverse of this wavy using the 2-point arc. Click from this position and click to this position and drag to the inside, double click, and then we can click this one. Okay, and then we can click this one, and then we can click this one, then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, and then we can triple click again and select a move, press Ctrl and place this position, and then now we can make the another variation of wavy again. We can using the 2-point arc. We can use this one. We can click this one and click this one. Okay, then we can delete the another kind of line. We can delete this unnecessary line over there. Okay, then we have to push it up one by one around 1 meter for the floor thickness or slab thickness, and also another plane. Okay, we have to make group and make it group again and push it up, make it group. Okay, now we can right click and make component, create, and right click, make component, and we have to make for every single slab to be one component. Okay, then we can click this slab, select a move and place to this position, and then you can move it up around 3.6 meter, enter. Okay, then we can click this one, select move and place to this position, and then we can move it up 3.6 meter, enter. And also this one, select move, place to this position and move it up around 3.6 meter. And also this one, okay, we can place to this position, and then we can move 3.6 meter. Okay, and then we can get the wavy skin in here. And now we can continue to duplicate this one to the another position. We can right click, make group, and we can select a move, press Ctrl, place to this position, and then we can move it up around 3.6 meter, enter. Okay, then we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type x20. Okay, maybe it's too tall. Now we can delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay. Okay, I mean it's enough for the high-rise building, and now we can make the another elements. We can make the core building with using rotate rectangle. Click from this position until this position. and we can offset it inside around 8 meter approximately, and we can delete this one and triple click and delete, and we have to push it down till this position. Okay, then we can push it up around 5 meter, enter and triple click, right click and make group. Okay, then we can make the column with using rotate rectangle. Click from this position and then we can type 1.5 meter and type 1.5 meter. Then we have to push it down and push it up a little bit. Okay, then we can triple click. Okay, we can triple click, right click, make group and make component, create. Then we can select move, place to this position, and we have to place to this position also. Okay, I'm sorry. We have to divide. We can select move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 3 slash and enter. Okay, then we can click this one and we can select move, press Ctrl, then we can type 7 meter. Okay, and also this one we can select move, press Ctrl and type 7 meter. Okay, then we can select the column. We can select move, press Ctrl. We can type 7 meter also, and also this one we can type 7 meter. 8 meter, sorry. Okay. Okay, now we can push it down to the appropriate position. Okay, and we can see about the result, and we can see about the column placement and wavy concept of this building, as we can see about it. Then we have to push it down until this position. Okay, and it's done, and now we can make the another elements. We can make glazing element. We can use the rotate rectangle. We can use the rotate rectangle. Click from this point until this point. Okay, until this position. Okay, then we have to double click this one and push it down. Sorry, we have to double click and offset it inside around 500 millimeter only. Okay, then we can delete some unnecessary surface, right click and erase. Then we have to push it down. Okay, we have to push it down in this position, and we can also push it to the front about it. Okay, and it's done. Okay, we can triple click, right click and make group, and then we can activate the high res of model. Okay, then we can click this line, select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 40 slash and enter. Okay, and then we can click this one and select move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 20 slash enter. I'm sorry, I will repeat it. We can click this line, select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 30 slash and enter. And also this one, we have to select this both of line and select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 25 slash enter. Okay, it's done. And we can assign with the blue glass material on it for the high-rise building system for the visualization and presentation. Now we can make the rectangle again in here. Okay, then we have to offset it inside around 150 and delete some unnecessary plane, and we have to push it up around 3 meter. Okay, we can triple click and make group. Okay, then now we can make the one of the slab to be lobby. Right, we can triple click, right click and make unique. Then we have to move it to the front. Okay, like this. And we can also make the glazing for the skylight on the lobby. Okay, and we can also make the slab in here. We have to push it up a little bit. Okay, we can make group. Okay, we can make a column. push it down, triple click, make group, right click and make component, create. Then we can select move, press Ctrl and place the position, and then we can type / and enter. Okay, it's just for example. Okay, so you can explore more about the high-rise building. This one you can explore for this high-rise building. You can use the circle, click from this position. Oh, it's look like complicated if you make the stick in here. Okay, so I think it was enough. And then you can make it group, or you can delete this one first. You can select all, right click and make group, and also make component, of course. Okay, then we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this another position. Okay, then you can select the style, and you can select this style, and you can activate the shadow. Okay, then you can make the plane in here, and we can draw the landscape. Then you can assign the materials with using the landscaping, and assign the green material in here. Sorry. Then you can assign the asphalt materials. You can assign about the level of darkness. Then you can select the component, and select component sampler, and you can select the tree, place to this position, and then we can select materials and select the glass. Okay, you can select move, press Ctrl, and you can deactivate the shadow first, and you can select make group, move. Okay, you can fix about the placement of the tree anyway, with using your own exercise. Okay, and we can activate the shadow. Okay, thanks for watching, and you can improve for all of these elements such as a facade, rooftop, lobby, landscape, and much more on your own exercise. And just wait for my next video. Thank you.